Cockpit voice recorder. This is the place in A320 where we establish cockpit voice recorder. It is basically tailbone section area, and you can see also so many things. We are in the tail portion section, as you can see. Now CVR test is in progress. We have just changed it. Cockpit voice recorder, flight recorder. Okay. It is located by, you can say, here the graduation 0. That is a wall main slave assembly of APU. Fly-by-wire system you have listened. You may be listen or not listen. It's totally dependent on you. Basically, this is the overhead sensing element, and this is a pressure servo control line. Okay, so basically purpose of CVR cockpit voice recorder, it is all time on.